Alright, so this is how you do a vlog with a camera that's not weather sealed. You just throw some positivity on top. Genius. Seriously though, 2 days ago, beautiful out, sunny, had the top off. Yesterday, also a really nice day. Today, rainy, cold, and they're saying it's gonna turn into wet, heavy snow. I think I've already seen a couple snowflakes. It's time to get out and get the errands done before it gets too crummy out. First things first though, you all know where we're going. Yeah, the print shop. Where'd you think we were going? Just had some stuff to do here. I told you guys we had a bunch of errands to get done. Off to the next spot. Coffee shop.
Yeah.
Have a good rest of your day, guys.
Thank you, CJ.
Okay, gotta grab a few things and then run over to Birchland Park. Okay, Birchland Park, check. Let's see what's next. Have to get some groceries. Time to edit the vlog. All right, so I'm headed out to have a couple beers with the guys from work. Got some awesome news regarding that phone call from the other day. Looks like everything's a go. Within the next day or two, I'll be making an announcement to you guys to let you know exactly what that's all about. Super excited to fill you in. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Peace.